Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back at you with a low carb, easy dinner recipe. So what you're gonna need is lemon pepper. You don't have to use lemon pepper if you don't have it. If you have Old Bay is really good on shrimp, but my son's gonna be eating this and it does have a little bit of a kick, well, according to him, so we're just gonna omit this one. So we're gonna use some lemon pepper, we're going to use some salt, we're going to use some black pepper, we're going to use some butter. This one's my favorite. You can make your own Alfredo sauce with whipping cream and some other ingredients, but I just buy it to make it easier. There's 2 carbs and under 1 gram of sugar in here, so just gonna make it easier on myself and use the store-bought one, and this one's the garlic. Then we're gonna use some Parmesan cheese as well as some broccoli. I already washed and steamed this broccoli, so it's just here. And then we're gonna use some large shrimp, which I deveined and took the tails and skin off of. So let's get started. Alright, so first step is we're going to melt some butter in our non-stick pan. And this meal is perfect for a work night during the week meal because once you start putting it together, it takes 10 minutes tops to cook. You're going to go ahead and add your shrimp. Shrimp, we're going to do salt, pepper, and lemon pepper. And keep in mind, you don't want to fully cook this because you don't want it to become chewy when you add the rest of the ingredients. So go ahead and just cook it until it starts to turn a little bit pink. You're gonna add in your steamed broccoli. I only steamed this for about 3 minutes because it will continue to cook in the pan. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more salt and pepper. And next you're gonna add your Alfredo sauce. Again, I'm just using this store-bought one, but you can make your own. There's plenty of recipes online. I may do that another time, but not today. So I'm just using this Bertolli. It smells really good. And then I'm just gonna add a teeny tiny bit of water in here to get the rest out. You're just gonna let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you will top it with your Parmesan cheese. Now you're gonna go ahead and add your Parmesan cheese. And if your family is anything like mine, they like cheese. Everything out the best I could, but there's stuff kind of in multiple places. But I have not shopped at Aldi in quite a long time, so I decided to shop there. I mainly shop there because I wanted to get these floral bouquets that they had, but then they ended up not having them. So this is what we got. So if you are a vegan, just skip over this part. But we got grass-fed ground beef. This is really good for tacos, hamburgers. You do a lot with it. We got these cheddar brats. These are really, really good. We got some Southwest style seasoned chicken. I actually had the lemon garlic one, I believe, in my cart, but they didn't have it, so they substituted for this one. I have not tried it before. And then I got some ground turkey. My son loves ground turkey. Do a lot of recipes with this one also. And then on to some produce. We got some strawberries, as well as some mushrooms, a Caesar salad kit, as well as some iceberg lettuce so I can do wraps for tacos or hamburgers. I got a big old bag of lemons. I love lemons. I cook with them, and I also put it in my water. I got a bag of yellow onions. Again, great to cook with, amazing flavor. And then I got this Oriental Stir Fry. It's just a bunch of veggies in a bag. So we can add chicken and soy sauce, or, you know, there's a couple different options. There is a sauce packet in here, but it probably is full of sugar, so I will probably avoid that. And then I got some Asparagus Spears, and yes, they are frozen, but you can still cook them on the stove and add bacon. So they're really, really good. And then what else? We got some organic ketchup. My husband is very like anti-organic anything. I don't know why. Maybe it's like a man thing. Comment below if your husband's like that too. But he actually really likes this ketchup. So we got 2 of them. My son uses ketchup on almost everything. And then we got some popsicles. These are sugar-free popsicles in cherry, grape, and orange. Perfect for the heat. It's been pretty warm here in Southern California. Got some French toast sticks as an easy breakfast for my son. They're really easy. You just pop them in the microwave and that's it. They're already like flavored and everything. And then I got him some little ice cream cups. He usually just likes the vanilla, but they only had vanilla and chocolate, so that is what we got. And then I got him some of these. I know he might be a little big, but they're the pouches, kind of like the applesauce pouches. But he really likes the flavor of this one. It's like a multi-fruit one. So if you have any little ones, it's really good because they don't put any like high fructose corn syrup. It's dairy free, and the fruit that's in it, it's not really telling me exactly. I mean, on there it has bananas, strawberries, apples, peaches, so I'm assuming maybe that's all that's in there, but they're just these little pouches, good for on the go. They're really good for the lake. For him, easy, and he's not going to make like a disaster of a mess trying to eat with a spoon when a boat's rocking. So I got 2 packs of these. They come 4 in a pack, and they were like $1.50 each for 4. Ice cream. I got this Keto Ice Cream. I've never tried this ice cream before, but it's peanut butter and fudge. There were no ingredients online, so I couldn't really like check all the ingredients, and it's melting, so I gotta hurry up here. Oh, and then snacks. So if you have little ones and they're not back in school yet, which a lot of places aren't back in school, you know how much your kids snack. At least I do not know how my son stays alive when he's in school. The amount he eats when he's home. So I get him these, and we don't shop at Aldi very often. Just like I said, I probably haven't shopped there in like 5 months. So he hasn't had these, and he does not like Pirate's Booty at all. He does not like Pirate's Booty. He likes this. So I got him 1 bag. I should have got him 2. They were like around $1. It's like no joke, such a good price.